Wells Fargo offers money orders as a secure way to send payments. As of December 2025, the standard fee is $5.50 for money orders up to $1,000. An additional $1.11 is charged per $1,000 increment thereafter. For example, a $2,500 money order would cost $5.272. The maximum amount for a single money order is $1,000 to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. However, you can purchase multiple money orders in one transaction, up to a daily limit of $5,000 at Wells Fargo branches, but you'll need to provide government-issued ID for larger amounts. The primary way to purchase Wells Fargo money orders is at their physical branches, with over 4,500 locations nationwide as of 2025. These branches offer in-person service where you can buy money orders with cash, debit, or credit cards. While Wells Fargo ATMs no longer support money order purchases, discontinued in 2023 due to security concerns, the bank is piloting digital issuance through its mobile app in select markets like California and Texas. You can also order Wells Fargo money orders online through third-party partners like Western Union, but be prepared to pay additional fees on top of Wells Fargo's standard charges. To purchase a money order, you must be at least 18 years old. Minors may need guardian approval. Money orders are traceable via serial numbers, providing a secure payment method that's guaranteed by the bank.